In this lecture, we will discuss the operations research models. First, we look for the what is the mean by model. Model is the simplified and often idealized representation of reality or the system. So, model is the representation of data such as objective, variables, constraint, etc. of the system in the different form. The main objective of a model is to provide a means for analyzing the behavior of the system for the purpose of improving its performance. So, it is providing the data to analyze the behavior of the system for improve the system performance. Next, we have to look for the different ways to classify the models, classification of the models. First one is the by structure. By structure, we subclassified the models into the three types. First one is the iconic or physical models. Second one is analog or schematic models. Third one is symbolic or mathematical models. First one is iconic or physical models. Here in the iconic or physical models, we are representing the data physical representation of real situation with a different scale. Examples are the map, images, painting, model of a car, etc. So, in the physical models, we are representing the data with the help of the map, images, paintings or models, etc. Second one is the analog or schematic models. So, it is the represent the dynamic situations. So, in the dynamic situations, we have to represent the data. Example are the graphs that represent growth of population in term of distance. Third one is the symbolic or mathematical models. Here, these models with represent the decision variables under study using mathematical symbols such as numbers or letters. Example are the linear programming. Second one is the bifunction. So, bifunction models are the classified into the three types. First one is the descriptive models. In descriptive models, explain the various operation in non-mathematical language. Examples are the we have to collect the data by observation and by survey or by questionnaire. Second one is the predictive models. So, in the predictive models, explain or predict the behavior of a system. Example is the forecast models. So, in the forecast models, we have to predict the future sales. Third one is the prescriptive models. In the prescriptive models are used to prescribe the certain optimal solutions for the problems. Example is the linear programming models. So, third one is the by nature of environment. So, by nature of environment, we are subclassified the models as the deterministic model and the probabilistic models. So, in the deterministic models, deterministic models are the variables are completely defined and outcomes are certain. So, example is the linear programming and transportation problem. So, probabilistic models are the in which at least one parameter or decision variables is random variable are called as the probabilistic models. So, in the probabilistic models, changes in the variable cannot be predicted with certainty. However, it is possible to predict a pattern of values of the variables by their probability distribution. So, example is the probabilistic inventory models are used in the condition of uncertain demand to decide the economic order quantity. And fourth one is the by behavior. So by behavior, we are subclassified into the static models and the dynamic models. So static models are used only for a single time. So it is represents the system at a specified time and do not consider changes in the system over a change in the time period. Example is the EOQ models, economic order quantity models. Second one is the dynamic models. So in the dynamic models can be used for multiple times on similar problems, and also it is used in a situation where time plays important role. These dynamic models also used for the optimization of the multi-stage decision problems. Example are the dynamic programming model. So these are the models of the operations research. Thank you.